Good morning. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Monday, the 28th of July, 2025. So we're starting here with the synoptic yesterday at lunchtime, and this high pressure is kind of starting to dominate the weather, although we do have low pressures to the north of it that are driving in a few weather fronts. If we run that through midnight last night and into lunchtime today, we can see we've got a ridge of high pressure building across the southern half of the UK, northern half of Europe, and there's a weak cold front that's due to be across the Midlands by about lunchtime today. That'll probably be with us by the end of the afternoon or early evening. Now, if we run that through midnight tonight, you can see that cold front fizzles out. But the next feature is a warm front coming in. That'll probably be giving us a lot of top cover by the time the sun comes up in the morning. And by lunchtime, it's almost going to be on top of us. So we may see a little bit of a sort of warm front weather in the morning tomorrow. The sat pic then, just have a quick look at the cloud cover here. There's a fair amount of it. It's moving very, very slowly southeastwards, and it's going to be with us for quite some time today. So it's not going to be as warm out there as it could be without that cloud cover. The rain radar is showing a few showers building up in the southwest, and indeed that's going to be a feature as we look at the rain forecast throughout the day. You can see those showers on the picture there on the southwest. And as we run it through, they're gradually going to build across sort of West Country, Wales, the Midlands, and gradually work their way southeastwards. And I would imagine that we'll see a few showers by early afternoon, if not directly over us, certainly above the horizon. That's going to continue through until early evening before the showers start to fizzle out. So the Odium TAF is missing this morning. This was refreshed not that long ago. And we'll just do one last refresh here now. So we'll just have a look at the METAR then. The actual Odium now is 290, 5 knots, cavalcade, temperature 15, dew point 10, and pressure 1021. And looking at wind at Middle Wallop, they're cavalcade at the moment as well, with the wind being 3004 knots, temperature 15, dew point 11, pressure 1021. But they've got a TAF which is valid, and they're forecasting 2905 knots, greater than 10k visibility, with few clouds at about 3,000 feet. Now, spot winds then to the north of us, quite uniform in strength, all the way up from the surface to 5,000. And only varying in direction by about 10 degrees as you get to 5,000, with the surface or the 1,000-foot wind being 300 degrees. To the south of us, we've got 1,000-foot wind 270, 5 knots, 280, 5 knots at 2,000, and 310, 10 knots at 5,000. Wind air forecasting, surface wind here at Lasham to be sort of northwesterly at the start of the day, and going around towards the west throughout the day. And looking at the Met Office forecast for this area, the strength of that wind is going to be about 5-6 knots to start with, maybe 7 to 8 by the end of the afternoon, and gusting up into the low teens. Temperature-wise, GFS are suggesting that we're going to be up about 24 in this area by midday, with the dew point down about 9. And looking at the actual forecast we have here, this was just a few moments ago, we've got 15 degrees centigrade with the dew point down at just underneath 11. Looking at the camera on the south side, this is looking west. You can see we've got that northwesterly flow. It's quite light, but we've got a fair bit of sort of stratoQ at the moment by the looks of it. Potential flight distance then for those going cross country today. It's not brilliant, but you should be able to get something out of the day. And looking at the cross section local here to Lasham. We have climbs starting round about sort of late morning, getting up to about 3.5, maybe 4,500 feet by lunchtime. And yeah, we're maybe looking at about 4.5 to 5 throughout the afternoon. Bear in mind that's above mean sea level. Top meteo, if we have a look at the potential flight distance there, which is zooming on that, they're saying we maybe get 2 to 300 Ks out of the day. And if we have a look at the thermal heights, we'll just bring the map up there for you and zoom in on that. You can see it around about 9 o'clock in the morning. We're starting with about 2,000 feet at best. And as the day goes on, it does get a little bit better. It does get up into sort of like 4,500 foot range, but it is a little bit sort of bitty and interrupted here. It's not going to be uniform skies, across the whole area. That's going to continue through until sort of late afternoon, but by about 5 o'clock, pretty much we're done for in this area. So looking at NOTAMs then, just in the Lasham area, we have 26 as Farnham, that's flares from 1800 onwards. Ash Ranges is 27, that's hidden in there somewhere. So Delta 132 is active, 28 is Camberley, and 30 is the same. And that's from 1830 onwards and more illuminance. So we'll move on to the local airfield briefing then, and we'll start with the glider bookings. There's two K21s on the 5-day courses. There's a K21 on the casual list. There is K13 on trial lessons today. There's single-seater availability. There are 5 people on the casual list, and we do have 1 instructor. Thanks very much, Bruce. And the simulator is available as per usual. Quick reminder about the wave soaring expedition in the autumn. It's from the 5th to the 25th of October. And if you want to go along, come and have a chat with Barry, Evan, or myself, and you can book via the main office. There are some movements today. 2XL have a PA31 and a Beach 200 in and out today. There's an arrival at 09:12. There's a maintenance check flight between 12:30 and 2 o'clock, and then both are departing around about 16:30. So the general situation today, in the summary of what's going on, is there's a ridge of high pressure building from the southwest, a weak cold front moving south through the region. It should be with us by the end of the afternoon or early evening. We're on runway 27 with the cables on the south side on the grass. So please be ready when the air to rope or the winch cable arrives. And of course, do not land or taxi on the disused runways on the red bit shown here. So here's your airfield setup. Launch point vehicle on the south side of the runway. Winch launching off the grass, air towing off the runway. If there is a club crew today, it will be on the 27 grass north. And of course, we can do both left-hand, right-hand circuits to land 27 grass north and south. That's it from us today. We shall see you out there shortly. Have a great day's flying. Please keep it safe.